cumulative, logical, or within bins. Problem. I want to identify when I've encountered a true value and maintain that value for the rest of the array. For a particular bin. From a numpy perspective, it would be like a combination of numpy.logical_ or .accumulate and numpy.logical_ or .at. Example. Consider the truth values in A, the bins in B, and the expected output in C. I've used 0 for false and 1 for true, then converted to bool in order to align the array values. What I've tried. I can loop through each value and track whether the associated bin has seen a true value yet. But I was hoping for a on-time numpy solution. I have the option of using a JIT wrapper like numba, but I'd rather keep it just numpy.
ON solution. PER's contribution. Based on insights above. Older attempts. Just to get things started, here is a solution that, while vectorized, is not ON. I believe an ON solution similar to this exists. I'll work on the complexity smile. Attempt 1. Attempt 2.
Il est sûrement 31 ans, puis la France est de ce style.